Hurricanes by Ingrid, Katie, Helenka, and Madeline. How to prepare for a hurricane. Know where to go if ordered to evacuate. Have a supply kit with a flashlight, batteries, cash, and first aid supplies. Make a family communication plan. Consider building an FEMA safe room. FEMA means Federal Emergency Management Agency. What to do when a hurricane is 6 hours from arriving. Stay indoors, turn on TV, radio, or check your city-county website every 30 minutes. Close storm shutters and stay away from the windows. Turn your refrigerator and freezer to the coldest setting and open only when necessary. Here's a video.
Overnight images. Hurricane Irma, the most powerful Atlantic hurricane in recorded history, slamming that Caribbean island overnight. Brand new video showing the Category 5 storm with winds hitting over 200 miles an hour the moment it hits England.
That video is unreal. It is now on the move, heading straight towards the U.S., towards Florida. Governor Rick Scott activating the National Guard, declaring a state of emergency as the monster storm, packed with winds of over 180 miles per hour, inches closer to the U.S.
Our own Adam Klotz tracking its path right now, giving us updates all morning. Good morning, Adam. Hey, good morning, guys. And this one is a big one. Now take a look at this. 35 miles east-southeast of St. Martin, moving that direction at 16 miles an hour. So those folks need to be taking cover. They'll likely already have winds still at 185 miles an hour. Once we move through the Lesser Antilles, San Juan, Puerto Rico is up next, likely passing by in the overnight hours tonight, as that's the system that they'll be dealing with. And no surprise here, we're looking at all the islands now under hurricane warnings. Puerto Rico tonight again, then moving on to the Dominican Republic, Haiti, all just north of these islands, running through the Bahamas, then coming up next. Guys, we're really looking at a Sunday morning timeline is when we're getting just south of Florida, and we'll have a better idea of where it's going to turn and who's going to be most affected. All right, Adam, thank you that much.
Thanks, Adam.
How to prepare your home. Hurricanes can break branches, so before the hurricane comes, trim your tree branches. Make sure to secure loose rain gutters or any downspouts. How to prepare school. Map out your school emergency plan. Secure your school records. Make sure your staff is well prepared. Make sure your school buildings are hurricane proof. Plan temporary classrooms. And here's a video.
Guys, tell me when to stop it all, okay? I'll take you as close as possible to your house.
Thank you for watching and have a nice day.